Hi, if you're having troubles with your Dell, this one is currently a Dell Inspiron 11 3000 series 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop, and you want to reset it, put new firmware. Let's say you need to add new Windows in it, or just want to have a fresh factory reset laptop. Well, this is what you want to do. So for this particular model, and I'll list below some other models that work with it in the description down below. Check that out. But if you're trying to get to the special like Windows setting, it is always different in every laptop. This particular one, in the ones listed, is you're gonna actually want to do this. So go to this screen, have it plugged in because it runs faster. Plugged in. Now you want to go right before logging in to an account. You're gonna want to press enter or touch the screen or something. This laptop has had some small little problems, and at this point you want to put your mouse down here, and this is the key thing you want to do. You want to hold down shift the whole time we're doing this. Push the button and go to reset and push reset, and as you're doing that, that may come up, it's fine, reset anyways. Still hold down the shift button. This is the most important part. Hold it down throughout this whole restarting spot this whole time, and it may take a while because these laptops may take a while. You know, this particular one, it runs a little bit slow, but it's usable. And so because it's a slower processor, it's gonna take a longer time. So we may just speed up this part. Continue holding it throughout all this process. Once you see this screen, it has 3 different settings. It has, you could let go now, by the way. It has continue, troubleshoot, turn off computer. So the thing is, if you do continue, it's going to just go back to the normal screen where you sign in and do your stuff. You could do turn off for some reason, or you can do the troubleshoot. Now if it's touch screen, then do touch. If it is not, do the arrow keys or the mouse pad. So right here, it's saying a few different things. There's advanced options. This one is reset this PC, let you choose or remove your personal files, and reinstall Windows. Now the particular thing I want to do in this video is I need to reinstall Windows because I want to have it just fresh, clean laptop. Now you can look under advanced options and just look real quick what's in there. There's a startup, repair, startup setting, command prompt if you know how to use that, uninstall updates, firmware settings, the UEFI, and system restore. If you don't want to reinstall Windows all the way and you just want to go back to a previous system restore, you could go to that, and I believe that will not erase any of your files. They'll just change the version of let's say previous versions that Windows had updated to. It would go back to a previous system restore, if there even is one on the hard drive. If you have it set where you delete those, well, it doesn't make any, then you won't have any. But anyways, on this thing, you're going to want to go back because we're going to be doing the fresh install. This is where you're going to go to fresh install. You touch it, do whatever. If you want to keep your files, you can, but if you want to erase completely everything, just like you're going to, I don't know, give it to someone, or just you want it clean, you're going to want to remove everything. And this will absolutely delete everything on this laptop. And also, it may take a while. So we may speed up if it takes a little long. Alright, now we got to a screen right here. It says cloud download and reinstall Windows. That could download it from the internet if you have the Wi-Fi previously remembered. I believe that's where it's getting the Wi-Fi. If not, you can do local. Let's say you have no internet. You want to do this bottom one. It is local reinstall, which is reinstall Windows from this device, which is exactly what I want to do. It says right here, it says getting things ready. So again, we just wait again. And it asks me again if I want to just remove my files. Use this if you're keeping your PC. And then this one right here is full clean drive. Use this if you're recycling this PC. It may take several hours. So if this one seems more of a clear, sure, erases like all the previous settings and then reinstalls Windows, but it may take a while. The other one is, I guess, a quicker, but if you want to make sure that it no longer has any of your files, you should do the bottom one. I'm going to do the bottom one, so if this does take whiles, we're definitely going to have to speed up. I'm going to push it now. One other thing to note that you may have to reacquire some drivers for the system, which I am not sure if it's going to remember or not. Usually it has a base drivers that it uses to work, but we'll see. Alright, now we're at its screen finally. It says, are you ready to reset this device? This cannot be undone. Make sure your device is plugged in. It may take a while. Remove all personal files and accounts on this device. Remove all changes that have made to settings. Remove all apps and programs that did not come with this P. Reinstalls Windows from this device. If you want that, well then you're going to want to go next to reset. Resetting this PC. Oh, it has a countdown, good. Alright, so this thing's asking about clearing this computer's trusted platform module. So here, I'm not sure what it wants, but it sounds like it's a bad idea to completely erase it. So I'm going to do escape or volume down to reject as change, release and continue, because if I do F12 or volume up, it says access to these keys to data encrypted by these keys will be lost. I do not want that. I'm going to put exit. Now at the screen it says it's installing Windows, which this may take a while as well. It took around 2 hours to do that first process, but this one seems like it's going to go much quicker because I'm at 9%. Once you get to this screen, Cortana probably scared the bejesus out of you, and you're ready to just use your computer and set it up the way you want. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
You're holding me up. Well, if you're looking for any other Windows or Dell related videos, check the description out below, and there'll be a playlist for other things you may need. If there is any other updates relating to this, check in the playlist. Thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing if you want to stick around and see other videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.